He's in Portugal. I was going to do a comparison on his signal strength between my 80-meter end-fed and my 20-meter end-fed. But two problems. One is the glare. My room is pitch black, and I can't get rid of the glare. What is this phone developed night vision? The other problem is the old man that the DXer is talking to. He took it upon himself to tell the guy in Portugal his history of antennas. Describing each and every one of his directional antennas he's had in the course of his 90-year ham career. Well, I tried, man. Dang it, Bob.
For the way it looked up there, it didn't show up quite as bad as mine. Mine worked, the quad worked great.
He pronounced the word there as there. Is he a New Englander?
And we went up on the tower, and we tied ourselves on.
Well, that's it. No antenna comparison, and no one else gets to work Portugal today, I guess. And that's fine. It's nice to hear and somebody stateside having a nice rag shoot with somebody in Europe or South America or anywhere else. Take care. I don't believe it. He just tried to start in on his motorcycles. And the DXer in Portugal wasn't having it. He just tossed out, well, thanks for the cue. So 73, bye now. And he... Jesus. Come on, man. Come on, man.
Girls will be boys and boys will be girls. It's a mixed up, muddled up, shook up world. It's up all